love? Oh, okay, you got it. Okay. Bye. Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you, my love. I hate upper body workout. Yeah, good morning. Oh, come here. Oh, why are you so hot? Huh? Why are you hot? You have a temperature? Are you sick? She's hot. Hey, come here. She just woke up, but she feels hot, and I think she has a fever. Also, she called out to me, "Mama," from the top of the stairs, and that's kind of freaked me out. So I screamed. I was like, "Ah!" And then when I screamed, it made her cry, because I think it scared her too. So yeah, so that's why she's crying. But let Mama check your temperature, because I think you got a fever. Okay, come on. The girls both have had a cold last weekend, and they still getting over it right now. And then Esmeralda feel a little bit too hot, so, and she slept until I think it's like past noon already. So Mama's gonna check your temperature, okay? I love you. She loves her big sister. Hi, okay, so Haven just fell asleep. We're all breastfeeding, so I know she's tired. So I'm gonna go and put her for a nap. And here's Esme playing in Sissy's chair. Are you a baby? Yeah. But here's Haven. So Haven is down for a nap. Esmeralda is taking a bath. I am going to finish cleaning up. Finish cleaning from yesterday that I didn't get to do much upstairs. So I'm gonna clean the bathroom upstairs right now, and hopefully I can get some more cleaning done today, but we'll see. I think Sissy is awake. Sissy, you wake up? Hi! That was a short nap. Wow, Sissy woke up. Peekaboo. So Esmeralda and Haven and I are getting ready to go to our, one of our favorite place, and we'll show you. What place is it, Princess?
I got baby.
Oh, that's not place, that's Bluey. Anyway, let's go.